I guess he was in trouble because he gonna spend time with me and I'm gonna drive him crazy, okay?
Hello from Makassar. This is the first time I am at the bay wall. Let's talk about the car. As I drove, I noticed some issues. Sometimes when I was braking really hard, the brake got stuck, and so the car like stopped, and then I had to use the throttle, the power to unstuck the brakes, and yeah, then it started making sounds, and now it's like a little bit iffy. Actually went to one shop right when I arrived, and
I'm sorry, mister.
yeah, just don't tell me to come if you don't have time.
Sorry. And tomorrow.
Okay, so I started dealing with the issue of the car. I'm just at the repair shop, and yeah, the communication is bad as always. Yeah, just like talking with the Indonesians and making any plans, it's very hard. Like, first they went it for a test drive, and he thinks it's the brake caliper broken, which actually might be true. And yeah, but he had a lot of cars, so he didn't have time for me. Then he told me to wait an hour, so I went to a coffee shop, went back, and yeah, he still didn't have time, and he had many cars, and it was a big job, so I left, and I told him I will be coming there tomorrow morning, but he also doesn't have the new part, so maybe I will be trying to search for a new one. I don't really know. I guess I'm just gonna run around different shops and hopefully resolve the issue somehow. So this is how the parking works at the big hotels. My car is here, but there are already two cars parking behind. But I think the people should leave the keys at the reception. Yeah, he seems to be moving the car so I can leave. Kind of ridiculous, but okay, I'm at the Honda official service dealership, and yeah, it's looking much bigger, much better, but I'm kind of afraid they're gonna tell me they cannot do it, but let's see. Yeah, so it turned out after test drive, they think the brakes are good, but the shock absorber and one of the joints might be bad, which I kind of expected to because I had this issue with a different car, but yeah, now the other mechanic was quite sure it's the brakes, so yeah, I don't know. Now they are gonna check how long is it gonna take the parts to arrive or if they have it, so let's see. I'm in the shop for like a third time, and this time it seems they're actually starting to work on my car, but the guy I spoke with last time is not here, someone else is doing that. I'm not 100% confident with them, but at the same time I don't really have much of a better option, so okay, so they think like the issue is just like the braking pads are not original, so are a little bit different size. So they like wiggle a little bit, and that's making the sound while driving over bumps. I think that might be the case, but it also might be the suspension. But yeah, he's trying to like put a little bit of something so it's not wiggling not much. But yeah, maybe it works, maybe not.
I guess he was in trouble because he gonna spend time with me and I'm gonna drive him crazy, okay? I'm going for I think I need the TV. Come on. Hey, you gonna send me that video?
No,
You should send it to me.
I'm gonna upload to Instagram and tag you.
I'm waiting.
Okay, time for a little road repair.
Ang sabi din.
Huh?
There is one, but yeah. It is.
Come on, princess. Build us a tent.
Come on, help me.
No.
I didn't understand. Stop. Oh my god, does it? Just like this?
Yes, that's it.
You say it's big, it's small.
I said it's for free Indonesian people.
What
Not.
do you, hey, do